Krishna, Sadhe Pranam, Radhe Radhe. Today I'm going to tell you a very beautiful story which I heard in my school days, in third standard in my school, Convent of Jesus and Mary Shimla by Sister Jasanta. In this story, once what happens is Lord Jesus, he calls an angel and he gives him a very important task. The task is that within 1 week's duration, go to the planet Earth and get me a list of all my devotees in the whole world. So the angel, he goes to the planet Earth and he collects a list. He makes a list of all those people who contemplated on the name of Lord Jesus, made Lord Jesus as the center of all the activities, and how many times who visited the church in a week. So in 1 week's time, the angel prepares the list. He goes to Lord Jesus and hands over the list to Lord Jesus and says, Lord, I have done my task. So when Jesus looks at the list, he says to the angel in despair that my most beloved devotee's name is not there in the list. And the angel says, but Lord, how is it so? I have done my task properly. How is it that your most beloved devotee's name is not mentioned in the list? So Jesus, he takes a pen and on top of the list, he writes the name of a person who has not even once visited the church and who does not even know who Lord Jesus is. So the angel says, but Lord, how is he your most beloved devotee? He does not even know you. And he's not even visited church even once. How do you consider him as your most beloved devotee? Jesus says, because he serves humanity as his religion. He worships humanity as his religion. And he cannot see his any fellow human being in pain. When he sees someone in pain, he takes it like his own. And he comes forward for help according to whatsoever resources he has. And according to his limited caliber, he does his best to help that person out. So he is my most beloved devotee. So that's all for today. Thank you many folds for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna.